is required attribute? Required attribute is a restriction attribute that we use to require from website users to enter some value in that specific field. If we not enter value in field that has required HTML attribute, we will get validation error. So we need to enter some value in that field. Next input field will be address input field. Type will be text. Let's rename this to address field. And let's remove our value and read only HTML attributes. Let's add required HTML attribute. So basically with required HTML attribute, we'll require from our website users to enter some value in that input field. So when we refresh our web page, here it is, we have our address field. So if you try to submit our HTML form, you can see we will get validation rule that we need to enter some value in that field. So required HTML attribute works in that way that requires from our website users to enter some value in that field. So as you can see, when you enter any value in that field, we'll try to reach out our data processing script, that is our action script, and we will send all values from our HTML form. As you can see, surname field with value tutorials will be sent, and also our address field with value Wonderland will be sent to that action script. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate or PayPal. Please remember, even little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.